Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix PDF files open in Google Chrome instead of Adobe Reader in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, here is my PDF. I double click on my PDF and it's open in Google Chrome instead of Adobe Reader. This is our problem and we are going to solve this problem. Close it, minimize our web browser. Go to your PDF or any PDF that you want. Right click on that PDF. Here we find properties. Click on the properties or click on show more options and click on the properties. In properties we find many options. The main IMP option is open with and it's open with the Google Chrome. Here we find change button. Click on the change and select the software that you want to add as a default. I want to add Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader. Select that and click on the set default. Click on the apply. Click on the OK. Now open, once again open it. Now it's open our PDF in Adobe Reader or Adobe PDF. It's opening Adobe Reader. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simple problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.